Madison, Wisconsin. ICOBANA, we arrive. 20 years, one family. See the reunion come alive. Raise your glass and celebrate. Old school brothers feeling great. From Thursday night to Sunday praise, ICOBANA always plays. Thursday 6:30 p.m. Welcome party starts again. Main Street vibes till 11 night. Laughing, dancing, feeling right. Friday 8:30 tour bus ride. Dogboat cruise riverside. Picnic fun till 4 p.m. Then Oleku night again. African fashion shining bright. Best dressed couple steals the night. Madison, Wisconsin. ICOBANA, we outside. From the door to gala night. Everybody feeling high. 20 years and still we strong. Brotherhood forever long. No matter where life carried us, ICOBANA made all of us. Saturday 9 a.m. AGM begins again. Group photographs, memories made. Cocktails flowing through the day. Gala night till 12 a.m. Music dancing once again. Sunday prayer 9 a.m. Farewell hugs before the end. Madison, Wisconsin. ICOBANA one more time. Raise your hands and sing together. Brotherhood forever shine. And still we stand. One strong heart, one powerful band.